decisions that are gonna last semi-permanently on your body, but like it's not a big deal because like it goes away, but it's a big deal because it's really cool. Me. We're trying the Inkbox temporary tattoos, and not only are they like the flaky temporary tattoos, but they're ones that like fade away with your skin, and I'm hyped. If anyone knows from back in the day, I put fake tattoos all over my body, but then they flaked away and it kind of looked ratchet, so I talked to Inkbox and I was like, hey, do you want to film a video together? And they're like, yeah, and they sent me 2 tattoos. So here we are today. We're going to be testing out temporary tattoos from Inkbox. Basically, the tattoos last for 1 to 2 weeks. Like I said, they fade away. They're either black or blue. They got levels of details. They are waterproof. I am hyped. So let's do this. Here we are. This is what it looks like. It comes in this nice little envelope. It's really cute, actually. We're just gonna like do a little breaky. Okay. So this is what the packages look like. I got 2 of them. I actually really like the packages. They're very sleek. Wow. So let's open them up. You can see the ones I picked out. Right here you can kind of see it is a flower. Wow, this is beautiful. Can you see it? Hello. So it comes with the primer and it comes with the tattoo itself. So we have the flower one, and then let me show you the other one I got. So hyped. And oop, my camera just ran out of space. Hello, we're back. Okay, so this is the second one. It looks like a snake. It is so cool. I have a thing about snakes and lions and big tattoos, and for some reason I want it somewhere on my body. So I feel like instead of jumping into it, this is gonna be a great way to figure out if I actually like the look or not. So let's go over there and then let's put this on. Honestly, I'm so excited. So first of all, here's the tattoo. This is the flower one, and then I have the snake one. So it takes 24 hours for it to develop. So basically, I am going to put this on and then do the process with you, and then we'll do little check-ins. So I think the flower one I want to do on my forearm, and then the snake one, since it's a bit bigger than I thought it would be, I think I'm gonna just do my whole side. I have a bathing suit top on, so don't make this weird, okay? So let's go ahead and like jump into it as we do. So step 1, prime it down for about 30 seconds. Look at us, priming. We're gonna let that dry for 30 seconds and go ahead and peel the tattoo off the backing. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna peel the back. I'm so nervous. It literally peels off like this. And then it says place tattoo down. I don't even know what the best, I probably could use help on this, but like don't have help. I'm so excited. Then it says peel off the border. This is satisfying. And it says leave it on for 60 minutes, pressing it down firmly. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing with the snake, and again, I'm gonna put it right here. That was really intense. I feel like I wish I put this one on before I did this arm one, because I feel like I would have had more control, but I'm trying not to mess this one up either. So I think I like the position of it. I guess we'll really find out when it develops. If I could, I think I would just ask someone for help to do this with me when it's like weird places like this. But okay, let's see what happens. We'll be back in 60 minutes and we will peel this together. Okay, BRB. I feel like I'm trying to be so careful. Okay, so here we are. It's been an hour. Basically, this is supposed to be developed enough where you can pull this off. It actually already looks darker if you look at it. And so I feel like it's developing, but basically you're supposed to be able to peel this off, and then within the next 24 hours, it really is gonna develop. And so my plan is to kind of check in tomorrow at some point so I can show you what it looks like. But let's go ahead and do the peel. There we are. Does that look cool? Do I look cool? Wait, I actually really like it. In real life, would I put a tattoo there? I'm not really sure. I'd probably put it up here, like move it up. But I actually am not mad at it. Who is she? Honestly, there's not really much for us to do now, so I have it off. I'm just gonna chill, enjoy the rest of my night. I'm probably gonna check in the morning so then I can show you what it looks like after we've given it time to develop. I'm really excited. Hopefully you guys are really excited, so see you in a minute. talk about how I look 10 times cooler because of the tattoos. Okay, so here we are. So this is the first one. Honestly, it looks really, really good. It is a tiny bit smudged because you see that nice little imprint on the top. That is such a my fault thing because I will sleep like this. And so I'm pretty sure it transferred over. So my recommendation is to wear like a longer sleeve shirt or like some type of fabric in between so it doesn't transfer itself over onto your skin. Honestly, I'm not too worried about it because I don't think anyone's gonna see it like that. I could always wear a longer sleeve shirt and I feel like the top of it's gonna fade more. I also messed up a little bit over here, but okay, this looks sick, acknowledging that. But it kind of looks like I have two heads, a two-headed snake on me. And it kind of messed up right here. And I think it's how I laid it down, to be honest. It's on me. But this part down here looks amazing. So if you're going to do like a harder body part, I would definitely recommend doing it with someone else's help. I wish I did that. Low-key makes me want to get tattoos. And I'm like, just kidding. I don't have to get a tattoo because I can get these for the rest of my life. So will I be purchasing this again, or like would I be ordering this myself? Yes, without a doubt. You see this vibe, this look, this no makeup, like really messy hair, and then putting some jewelry on and like a crop top to make everything look better? Yeah, this has been me all of quarantine. Hello, how are we doing? Honestly, I loved this product. I will 1000% be buying this stuff with my own money. I cannot recommend this enough. It's so fun. So fun. Tips and tricks I have for y'all is like get your friends to help you, someone to help you put these on so you don't make the same mistakes I did, and maybe put on some type of long sleeve or cloth if you ever have the, just don't let this little transfer thing happen. I think that would save you some stress. But with me sitting at home quarantining, it's great. We love it. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below. All of these things will be in the description down below. I'll put both of my designs so you guys can check it out if you want it to. But yeah, that's about it. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon notification button so you get notified every time I post, which is weekly. Okay, I will see you guys next time. Bye. There's a bird. There's a bird on my balcony. It's never a bird. Hello. Oh, okay. Well, that's about it. Bye. Bye.